Alright, good day folks. As you can see by the title, this is about planting a plant that the heat does not destroy. Because in my garden, the heat is just brutalizing everything. Not everything, but a lot of things. And so I got so frustrated with it, I was just like, what do I plant right now that's not going to get destroyed by heat? And credit to my wife, we were out and about. She's like, oh, didn't you want to go get some green peanuts? No, not like green eggs and ham, but I will show you. Green peanuts for boiling. So, obviously this is all inverse because it's on selfie mode, but this is what it looks like. And it'll say, green peanuts for boiling. Do not get ones that are boiled, they will not sprout. So, we take them from a green peanut and we shell them. And this is what they look like when they're not boiled or seasoned or salted or anything. And that is what we plant. Alright, so I'm looking for places that are bare because they'll fill it in. So right here, oh man, that pumpkin is just wilty. So that's a spot that I'm going to look at to plant some peanuts. Man, even the invasive weeds are looking rough. Man, I hope the peanuts can do okay. So as far as spacing goes, every like 10, 12 inches is probably about good. And so I'm just kind of going for the edges of things. Oh yeah. And that corn is looking horrible too. Man, everything just looks bad. Even that poor moringa is not looking hot. So I'm just gonna wiggle these in about an inch deep. Rule of thumb here is whatever size the seed is, you plant it double that depth. So we're gonna take these and let's go find another bare spot. Oh, this is the best part of my garden. This is an area with a lot of weeds right now. And so I definitely need to put something here that's gonna be aggressive and at least suppress some of these weeds. And oh man, and the soil is just dusty. That's terrible. But these peanuts are going to provide a ground cover, and they're legumes, so they will bring in some atmospheric nitrogen. So that'd be good. And then they are also a good thing for anything that grazes or eats plants. They like to eat them too. So pigs, cows, sheep, goats, ducks even. Actually, I haven't fed them to my ducks, but I'm confident they will like them. So I'm just going to pull some of these weeds out of the way here, and we'll get to planting. And yeah, just mash them in, get them underground. Man, that dirt is so soft and dry. It's crazy. So we're just going to plant a whole big area. And usually what I do is I pull out weeds and then replace it with a seed. Oh yeah, some crabgrass, baby. What the heck? How is that onion still trying to live? You're crazy. You're just crazy. It's trying to live. Oh yeah. So pretty quickly you can deal with a relatively small area. And so they're just out here filling in the gaps. Look at that cabbage. Demolished. There's no way. You're toast. If you know how to poke the ground, you know how to plant peanuts. Alright, so as always, I'm always running experiments. And the one thing I want to know here is if I plant these into mulch or underneath mulch, will they sprout up through the mulch? Because these seeds, oh, dropped one, have a lot of energy in them. So if the idea is that they have enough energy to push up through a woody mulch, and if that's possible, that'd be really, really nice, because I could lay seeds down, lay down mulch, and the mulch would be suppressing the weeds, and then I get peanut pushing up through it. And some stuff does push up, like weeds do push up through it, especially greenbrier, so that's annoying. But if I can get these down, that would be sweet. Alright, this whole area right here, got a fig tree, some black-eyed peas growing there. But this whole area right here has been planted with peanuts. I'm very excited about it because, and you'll notice I didn't weed super thoroughly. That's fine. I'm gonna let the peanuts overtake everything because I think they're gonna do a lot better in the heat and in the soil than these weeds are, to be honest. Because they do grow pretty aggressively. As long as I'm getting them some water, which, what are we at? About 700 gallons. Yeah, I just got to get out here and do it. So, yeah, I'm excited. So like I mentioned earlier, I don't just plant peanuts because I want to get a peanut harvest. I want to keep something green on the ground all the time. And I hate having bare soil or weedy soil. And so if I can get some peanuts in the ground, not only can I get peanuts back and save some peanuts for the next year, but I can also feed the greens, and I can trim them and feed the greens to my ducks. And I'm 99% sure they'll eat it. My chickens like them. It's pretty well known that any herbivore likes them. So I think my ducks are actually less picky, well, except for with fruit. They're not as big a fan of fruit as chickens are. But anyway, they're less picky. And if you want to see my ducks, I'll show you real quick in a second. But I want to do a whole video on them because that's a whole project in and of itself. But anyway, so getting a whole system, trying to get everything interconnected and whatnot to feed into each other, and for me to feed off of it into whatever. Anyway, yeah. So that's pretty much the rundown on peanuts. Hope this inspired you to go to the store and get some green peanuts. It was $7 for the whole bag, so more than I'd like to spend on seeds, but you get a lot of seeds. You can plant a lot of ground for that. So anyway, go to your store. If you can't find them, ask. They should have them at most major grocery stores. I got mine from Publix. So anyway, get you some raw green peanuts for boiling, not boiled. Alright, have a great day. Enjoy your peanuts. Alright, super fast rundown on the ducks. Yes, we got a nest here. These are 2 feral ducks that I caught, and I've had them for about a month. Those eggs are due in a couple weeks, so the idea is, can we catch feral ducks and domesticate them for free? So that will be future videos.